Buy yourself some lunch.
No stress, no emotional tears. The algorithm is clearing all the fears. Si vous voulez ma child, trend line yakula. Zenith moving steady, engine running deep, making moves while the world is fast asleep. In Numbolo yetu, private school group, automatic execution, see the matrix move. I Zenith is Osilu. Zenith will fix it for us. Yo Naiazi is Osilu.
Welcome to Zenith Forex. Boo, 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 boo.
Hi Zennies, welcome back to Zenith Forex. This is episode 2 of our trading reality show. Listen, we are bringing you the best trading content in the country. Actually, no, in the world rather. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in to our channel. If you are new, bumping into this reality show for the first time, do ensure that you are subscribing, you are liking, you are clicking that notification bell so that you do not miss any episode of our reality show. My name is Precious Trader and I am the senior trader inside of Zenith Forex. And listen, super excited for today. As you can see, the boys are playing. Abafana are playing tonight and we are 100% behind them. We are 100% behind them. We are gonna win against Canada. I just know it. Okay, I just know it. Comment below if you think that we are winning, but I know that we are winning tonight. Proudly South African all the way. So yeah, super excited about that. By the way, from our very first episode of our reality TV, our reality show from last week, we've got a winner, Joanna Mabena. She commented the most. She got likes on our previous episode. So Joanna Mabena, congratulations to you. You have won yourself 1,000 rands just for simply commenting, showing us love on our very first ever episode of our reality show. Now guys, if you also want to be like Joanna and win yourself something next week, it might not be the same prize as Joanna's prize. However, do ensure that you are commenting below. You are just, getting likes and sharing this video. You can also stand a chance to win yourself something cool next week. So guys, let us get into this video. I am so excited. Yeah, man, let's go.
All right, I just want to quickly give you a quick update on how my manual trading has been going on the week. So I had this set up over here. So getting into the New York Open, we literally was looking at the market dropping from that beautiful supply over there, coming down to this demand, and then it beautifully dropped just like that. And over here, it hit TP. I'll show you just shortly on my phone. And over there as well, we had a setup that was dropping from right about that area over there, coming down to here. This is oil. The other one that we're looking at was Zawu JPY. Now, this is, I don't know if you're going to be able to clearly see this, but we'll also just give you a screenshot. That's the profit that has been made, today on this account. Started trading this account and literally through Sunday crossover. So the other trades are coming through from the Sunday crossover. Was able to make about 6,321 rands 26 cents. Everything blue screens. So not even a single trade that's wrong. That's not the impressive part. But the impressive part is the fact that when you are able to literally plot the market beautifully, the market, you're not chasing it, so you wait for your plan to take place. So dropping from that supply, and I caught all of those cells. Now trading using that manual setup when I went to bed. So we call it the Sunday crossover. As the market was opening, coming through the New York Open, we then continued with the sell-off on oil as well on Zawu JPY. So you are able to make money trading, using just your mind. You can also just be using your smartphone or your laptop or computer, but we are also able to do this, hands-free using our automated trading tools. Either or, it depends on your preference and also your access to either a laptop or a computer. But I remember when I started trading, I did not have an access to a laptop, so I started with my smartphone, and hence we've also just focusing into ensuring that we teach you guys as well in how you can be able to trade just using your smartphone. So now, if you're interested in learning on how you can be able to trade using your smartphone, like how I have, then you can be able to, click on the link in bio, go and check inside our trading communities and at Forex Inside School, and then you will be able to find inside the classroom the training that literally speaks to how to trade using the smartphone. Because last week I did say that whoever does make money and progress this week, they're literally being kicked out on the floor. Want us to make money, and if you're not making money next week, we'll have to kick you off from the floor. Let's see, did traders really give it their best, and did they trust the trading process better? Did they trust, and fully trusted the process of the hands-free trading automation? And if they did, how well did they do? And also, just continue letting us know in the comment section down below who's your favorite trader, and what else would you like to see us do on this channel. Also, we've got a lot of exciting things that we're going to be introducing into this channel on our third episode. So do ensure that you subscribe, you share this channel to everyone in your circles so that we can grow our community of Zenith Forex, because there's so much that has got to be done. The team has been trading. I just want to find out right now, how have they been doing? Are they making money, or is it a long story? So let us find out. Tim, how are we doing today?
I will start with this. It's not a long story. I had trailed a stop loss on that trade, and before that beautiful Marubozu hit, I was out of the market. So I'm a bit down. I'm not okay. I'm a bit down, but it is what it is. I missed a very, very good trade, and I'll catch the next one.
So did you have sticky hands?
Yes.
Or was it a part of your analysis? And if it was sticky hands, how are you going to get back to a point whereby you know not to touch and you trust fully on the pot?
Uh, I think it's a bit of both. It was sticky hands in a sense that I know when US 30 catches momentum, it usually keeps it. But I also did have fundamentals that did affect the US 30. So it was a bit of both, because I did want to make sure that if the fundamentals weren't in my favor or in the favor of the trade, I did leave the market with a bit of money instead of just nothing at all. But at the end, I guess I got I got mistakes.
All right, for as long as you didn't close in a loss, I think that was a great trade, because sometimes you'll see money being made and money being flushed out. So the worst case scenario is seeing you have 1,000 rand in a trade, and the next thing you close the trade in a minus.
Yes,
So
yes.
better you close with maybe 200 bucks and you break even. That's a better one. And you see those who are not faint-hearted
Yeah.
making 3K in a trade. That's how it goes.
Yes,
Any
yes.
more exciting details or feedback from how your session was like?
Oh, hey, hi, yeah. Say I'm recovering for my loss, but one mistake I made is that I am trading with you with gold plus USD. So, but I don't know what happened with gold. decided to take opposite direction, but I'm in good profit with USD. Yeah, so that is positive. Anyway, I'm a bit down because of gold. I don't know what happened with gold, and at least because of Trader P, she's around. She was like, "No, don't close." I was about to use my sticky hands again because I saw a profit of 700. I was like, "No, Trader, I'm closing." She was like, "No, don't trade. It will go up. Look now. Look now."
So where are we
Thank
sitting now?
2,000 profit.
Boop, 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 boop. That's a beautiful one. That's a beautiful one. Congratulations to you. And you definitely need to learn to trust the process, because you'll not always be next to, precious trader. So, but you must also just learn to trust the process, because it pays every time. Over to you, precious trader.
Yeah, I was like, she wanted to close when it was like 700. She's like, yo, I'm closing. I'm like, no, it's still gonna move. So at least imagine 700, 2K. So that was great. Well done. You must trust the process. Okay, so with me, I just traded like the 20 minutes before starting our live stream. So I just made $54, which is about 886. Yeah, so I think that is just all from me. I never traded anything else. It was just the gold. So what made me to switch the bot off was I saw the the resistance level that the trade was approaching, and it did kind of like face a lot of resistance. So yeah, I then that's why I exited the boards. But other than that, that's what I made for today, and I'm really grateful for it. That's all. I didn't make anything else.
All right. Thank you for that feedback. And so is Trader E sharing her profits? Because all that belongs to her is 700 rands. I think it's only fair to share the remaining profits from there belong to both
The
of you.
1.3 must come to me, and she must stay with the
There must be
700.
something that you get from there.
Yes, no, she must enjoy her profits. This is the market anyway. Yeah, so yeah, that is it.
All right. Now, awesome. And then, how are we looking at Trader Kagiso? Where's the bread today? Yesterday you had bread, you made some money. Today, what's happening? I don't see bread.
Today, Mr. S. Today was quite funny. I actually pushed my lot down to be much more safer, used the 0.01, and it's not looking well. At first, I was in a buy round about the levels of 24,938 there, and then I placed the trial stop. Afterwards, it pushed, it came back, hit, and then it automatically took a sell without me noticing, and then it went back up. At the sell, I took a loss of around about 150 rand, and then after that it closed the sell, went back up for a buy. Right now I'm running at floating profits of like 127, 122 rand. But if I was much more wiser and smarter, I should have upped a lot, because my account is still healthy and still pushing, but it's not where I would desire to be, because my target for the week was at least to make 1.5 or 2K, basically 1.5% of the account or 2% of the account. So for me, it hasn't been a productive trading week, because there was a sense of sticky hands and too much of being cautious and being overly analytical without actually trusting the bots for its fullest potential.
All right. So now, what are we doing differently starting from tomorrow? The week is not yet over. What are we doing differently tomorrow? What are we doing differently before the month end, so that we don't just make money to buy bread? we must make enough money to buy. I don't know what's your dream car.
Yes.
Yeah.
So basically, I would take your word of advice, as you've said earlier. At least I should up the lot.
Okay.
And have a much more decisive sense within trusting the bot, because the bot is doing wonders. I won't lie, it is doing wonders. It just makes the job easier, less thinking, less stress. The implementation I would do for the coming day and the next week is just to be much more relaxed like I was the prior week. I don't understand why I'm not relaxed this week. There's just too much of sticky hands and overanalyzation. Just to relax, let it run. If I do take a L, I take a L, I come back. As I know, I'll eventually make what I deserve.
All right, sounding great. All the best. And let us fly through to Trader Saint to get his own feedback from how the session panned out.
Okay. The session, Mr. S, it's still a really good session. I've been holding a trade on gold since yesterday. It is on a sell trade, so I'm not bought. It has opened this trade about last night, so I'm still holding on to this trade. I'm still in the negative, but I'm looking forward to gold still dropping further. So I'm just trusting the process on my end. So other than that, today there hasn't been any close trade. So it's just been only that one trade that I've been holding for a while.
So now you've recovered from a very big loss from earlier on in the week. Psychologically, how was the process of you having to trust the process and recovering from a deep, steep loss?
I could say it was not really dependent on me as such in terms of my psychology, because it was just the issue of trusting the bot. I've seen the bot working, I've seen testimonials, I've seen the bot working for myself. So as I said, my drawdown basically was just the issue of me being overconfident and, bumping up loss size, to like a craziest loss size. So basically I had to take out my emotions. So I think that's the first reason why we are trading with bots. Minus your emotions on the trading floor, then I just trust the process. So I was able also to recover from that big loss that I had. I'm actually back on my initial deposit and with some profits. So yeah, I'm confident that also today or tomorrow, this trade, I'll just be holding it for a while and it will surely close on the profit.
All right, thank you very much for that feedback. I've not seen such a very speedy recovery. They always say have a speedy recovery, but this account came from a 46% drop. And then within 24 hours, he was able to flip it back to about, I think it was 30% recovery. And then in 2 days, it's back at entry. So big up to you for not tatazelling. And that's a very big recovery. So I would say that you came out as a big star for actually being able to still be in the market. Because when you make a mistake of using a wrong lot size and it hits your account, usually people just give up. But you didn't give up. You continued to trust the process. You lowered your lot, and the recovery could have been very slow, but at least the markets were performing in your favor and your recovery was fast. Within 2 days, you're back at initial deposit. Looking forward to seeing what you're going to be doing the next coming week.
Hi guys, this is Precious Trader. Guys, I'm here just to give you my midweek updates. How have my trades been going for this week, right? So I'm just going to take it back to Monday. So on Monday, overall made a total of $191. So firstly, the $96, I made $96 with the crossover. With the crossover, I was trading with the Imana bot and I had put it on low risk, so meaning that it was just executing one trade at a time. Remember, with the high risk, it executes like multiple trades. You decide how many trades you wanted to execute. So on my end with the Imana bot on Sunday, crossing over to Monday when the market opened, it was on low risk, so I left it on low risk and it traded. When I woke up in the morning, I had $96. So when I then got to the office, it still continued to trade. And then during our live session in the afternoon, during the New York session, I then made 96. Yeah, somewhere there. I don't remember. Wait, I think it was, 90, 95. I don't remember, but it was 90 something. But overall, I made a total of $191. And then coming through to Tuesday, there were some losses, and it was kind of really hectic, especially during the New York session, because there was also the news. I think it was the PMI, right? So we were like, most of us here on the floor, we were on the Dow Jones or the USA 30 on a sell, and then it went down, yes, and then immediately the news happened and it reversed quickly, but I managed to just stop the bots, and then it then also just continued to trade. But overall for the day, I just managed to just break even. And then coming to today, right now it's Wednesday, I left my Umnoto board trading overnight. So I left it yesterday here at the office. It was on and it was just trading. I left it on to trade. And when I woke up this morning, I was sitting on $215. Profit. So that was profit that was made overnight with the Umnoto boards. Currently, I am sitting on $224. It's still trading even now. It's still the morning. So yeah, it's sitting on $224 right now. So we'll see how it's going. And there's also trades running as well, which is sitting on $40 roughly. But we'll just wait until the trades are done. But for now, there's like floating profits of $40. Well, the last time I checked my phone, it was on around $40 positive. So basically, that is my update for the week. So meaning today, if we'll add that $40, it would mean I'm sitting at around $264 for today. But I'll not add that for now because the trades are still running. The Umnoto board is still trading. So overall, counting the $191 plus the $224, I'm sitting at $415 for this week so far. So, which is great, not complaining. And in terms of the ZAR currency, that is about 6,810. Not too bad. And this is just looking at one account, right? I have multiple accounts that I am trading, but this one is just the one account that I've actively been trading live on the trading floor. So hence I'm giving you guys the update regarding this particular account. But anyway, I'm just excited and happy. So yeah, that is my update, my midweek update.
Guys, listen, I just want to update you with my last week trading. So as I was trading with Umelusi bot and trading with Umnoto bot and Leruo bot, so my week was like this. It wasn't easy, but at least I managed to make a profit of 9,000. So with the profit of 9,000 Rand, I was trading with Umnoto, trading gold, M30 time frame, and lot size, because my account was 7,000, lot size was 0.03. So with Leruo bot, I was trading with US 30 and oil. I was trading with US 30 and oil. As I told you that Leruo will just take a trade. For example, if it took a buy trade, it will hold buy trade for a long term.
As Trader T, full name Tui, and as I like to say, to be or not to be a millionaire trader. And the answer is to be a millionaire trader. Guys, it's a new week. It's a new trading week. I'm looking forward to it. I'm so excited. So I just wanted to give you a quick recap of how my last week went. Hi guys, this is Trader T, full name Tui, and as I like to say, to be or not to be a millionaire trader, and the answer is to be a millionaire trader. Guys, I am a girl from Mpumalanga, a beginner trader currently based in Pretoria and part of the Zenith Forex Trading Floor. I've been trading for a couple of months now, and I've been enjoying it. Being part of this team has been so wonderful. I'm enjoying it. Um, it is a journey, definitely. It has its ups and downs. I've been able to grow a trading account from a capital of 10K to about 50K, which has been so wonderful because that is like close to about 400% growth. And I've just been having a very, very nice time. My biggest trading success this week has been to be able to make some profits. I haven't been able to make a lot of profits, but I did make some profit because actually the past couple of weeks I've been having a little bit of a losing streak, but I managed to come back, get up, and I've been able to make some profits this weekend. I think I made about 1 point something, I think close to maybe 1.5, 1.5 thousand, 1,500 rands. Sorry, yes. Am a long term trader. I am managing an account, and my aim is to grow it steadily and progress in making the profits. So I'm not currently making any withdrawals or anything. I'm just focusing on growing the account. So it's a long term. I'm planning on growing it for the year, and then we'll see where I'm sitting it by the end of the year. This week, I think I reached about um 2 point something percent of my capital. Hence why I said it wasn't much, but I did manage to have some uh, profits. So about two something percent of the capital for this week, for this past trading week. My trading target, because the past few weeks I haven't been making so much money, and I think, even in the community we like to talk about fear and greed and everything, and I think I experienced a little bit of fear in the markets when I was going through that losing streak. But I am back up, and as I've been saying that the past week I've been making some good profits, so I'm gaining my momentum, I'm gaining my confidence again. And since we've also just started the trading floor, it has been helping me build my confidence in approaching the market again. So I am aiming high. I'm aiming very high. So my aim is about 20K, 25K for the new month. And I definitely think that it is possible, guys. I grew an account from 10K to about 50K. So adding another 25K, it's not something that I feel like it's out of reach or I won't be able to do. So my target is about 25K max, and I am gunning for it. I can't wait. Even if you have a little bit of a losing streak, do not lose your confidence. Do not fear the markets. Just continue. It's part of the journey. You learn, you grow. It's part of the process. And no great trader has had not made any losses. So I think that's what it taught me this week, that it's okay. Do not fear. Just continue, be consistent, be disciplined, trust the process, and more than anything, trust our automated tools that we have that help us in this trading journey that we are on. um yeah, trying to do the most for myself, trying to be independent, trying to have some financial freedom. So that's why I got into trading, because it felt like the right structure and the right opportunity for me to get into for what I'm aiming to have in my future, which is like being financially free. Hence why I like to say to be a millionaire trader, because guys, I want those millions. I am aiming for those millions. Actually, before I go any further, I like trading the German 40. So there wasn't really a lot of news that affected specifically the German 40, but obviously things like initial jobless claims that did impact a little bit into moving the markets into the direction that I was already in when I was trading. So it's things like that that really had an impact, as well as the latest news with the Iran and US deals and everything. Obviously, my instrument that I'm trading moves in accordance to how the oil moves as well. So how the oil has been moving, and has been moving in a downward trend. So I've been able to just also use that to trade for my instrument, because I know that if it goes down, then my instruments will be going up. So I've been using those kind of fundamentals to also help me trade my specific instruments. And our CEO told us about this challenge. I am telling you, I got so excited, and my aim is to just use how I've been using the strategies to grow my current account. So just trusting the bots more, looking at fundamentals, looking when the market is broken out, how it's moving, and just make money, guys. Just trusting the process. I am aiming to make the most out of this challenge, and I am telling you, I am taking it. I am taking it. I am ready. I am born ready. So I am ready to take the challenge on. I am aiming high. I am aiming way above the sky. So obviously, if that is your mindset approaching something, then what's stopping you from believing that you're going to take the 5K? So I think I'm going to be taking the 5K definitely, because what I am aiming is high, and to make the most profits, and just trusting the bots.
Hi, this is Trader Saint right here at the Zenith Forex. As you know, Zenith Forex, we're all about, automated trading systems. And this week on a Monday, in fact, it is a Monday, I joined Zenith Forex Trading Floor. Anyway, I've been with Zenith Forex, but I joined the trading floor this week. And I'm trading with my favorite bot, Umnoto, that is the Wealth bot. So I had 3 trades, in fact. I had a buy on US CAT that went into nice take profit. Then also had a sell on the same instruments, that is US CAT, that went into profit. Then my biggest profit came out of gold. And the gold trade gave me around $73. That's about $100 or so. So, imagine, I just started hands-free, no need to apply my mind whatsoever, just using hands-free bot on Umnoto bot, and it is so exciting, and I'm looking forward to a great time with the team here at Zenith Forex. Looking forward, to greater profits, and also you being encouraged there at home, and being inspired. Keep on watching us, and let's grow together and let's profit together.
Gonna find each one of you, gonna fund each of your accounts with 2,000 rands, and at the end of the week, next week Friday, whoever is gonna be sitting at a higher profit than anyone else, and you're gonna be getting a 5,000 rands cash prize given straight to you. So easy like that. So all you need to do is 2,000 rands, and whoever can get it, even if you're getting it to 4K and you're the highest with the 4K, it means you're gonna get yourself an additional 5K cash. Yes, only one winner. And if it happens that you make too much profit, then I can double the giveaway. At the end of the day, your account is sitting at 1.5 and everyone else is beneath you, then there's no winner. So it means maybe we'll double it and see next week how it goes. But we're looking for profitability at the end of the day. So how are you guys feeling about that? Excited! So who's taking it?
Well, I was gonna say, Ngoba Vele, I'll obviously take it. I think that I must sit it out, because
senior trader, you must not be a part
I'm
of
not
it.
gonna be a part of it, because
Because you'll win it day one.
so best I just sit it out.
alternate meaning, no senior trader. So trader, appreciates trader, and trader saying I'm not allowed.
Yes!
Trader saying is also not allowed. So the competition is with all the other traders on the floor.
Yeah, thank you so much, Mr. S. But hey, trader P, I ngeke phela. Imagine if today she made, how much did we make? 5.8 within. And within 2 hours or 3 hours, now she wants to be part of this challenge. There's no way. There is no alcohol. And guys, as you know, this man goes called Trader E. Minalo. Wait and see, guys. We are ready. Are you ready? Those who are saying Trader E, please comment on the comment section. Niti Aibo, Trader E, she is going to take the credit. Asambe, let's wait and see. Thank you.
A young man from Mpumalanga came here to Pretoria to study, but got the immense opportunity to become part of the community, the Zenith Trading Floor community. And I've been an upcoming aspiring trader. And what I bring in within the Zenith community is market certainty and overall challenge towards everyone and growth and a spirit of belief that whether we make losses, we'll always bounce back and our losses will be covered regardless of where we go. I come here to bring just more than who I am, but a energy filled with growth, purpose, and ambition. I'm highly ambitious. That's one thing about me. And I would like everyone around me to be engraved with ambition. This week, my biggest trading success was actually maintaining the account and actually bouncing back from the losses I've incurred prior this week earlier. I would say I started the week off good and then I ended up the week. My target was actually to get a 1.5% growth. So basically, it didn't shift that much. I faced the losses, most of my losses this week towards the middle of the week because I started the week off good. I started within profit by a margin of 1.2% of the account, and then I lost everything, and then I had to come back and I had to rechannel my mind into being a focused trader and not letting the psychology get the best of me, because trading is a game of psychology and you need a strong mind to push and prosper. My trading side for the new month, since I'm on a account balance of 12,320, I would say it's to double the account by a margin of 115%, which is roughly about 17K. So that's my target, and I'll break it down on a weekly basis. Break down my whole monthly target in a week phase target. Just let everything run, everything work naturally. You'll get what you deserve. I've always been a kid that always had a dream beyond just being a basic person and living a basic ordinary life, because I never understood certain phrases like agunamali. You understand? So such things really triggered something inside me that made me believe that there is a solution towards every problem in life. And for me personally, I believe trading can solve a solution that every South African faces, which is financial imbalance, and it can make you get and attain financial stability, and from financial stability we navigate towards a sense of financial freedom through trading.
Mr. S, I have a question for you. How are we trading these accounts?
You can choose any bot of your choice.
Woo! Okay. Yes, it
You
stays.
can choose any bot of your choice, and then it's gonna be with the bot, not hands-free. Oh, it's gonna be hands-free,
Hands-free.
not hands-on.
Okay, Mr.
No
S.
sticky hands on this one.
Yes, it stays. Thank you. That's the clarification I needed.
All right, may the best man or woman win the challenge. And just to actually congratulate you guys. So, buy yourself some lunch. Buy yourself some lunch. Buy yourself. Everybody get something. Everybody get something. Even the cameraman gets. the next one.
Hi guys, this is Trader E, all the way from Soshanguve, but I was born and bred Winterfeld, Mabopane Winterfeld, if you know Mabopane Winterfeld. So I'm just a Kasi girl. So this is me today into this platform, which is an amazing company, Zenith Forex. I partnered with this company last year, sorry. So I came here because of I was under Mashonisa, I was struggling financially. I was going through a lot. I had to pay Mashonisa every single month, so it wasn't easy. Imagine having to see yourself paying Mashonisa, or else you don't have that money. And that money for Mashonisa, you know that it comes with 50% interest. So yes, I was paying, but the thing is, I wasn't able to finish that money. So at least I got a job as well at Waterfront, working as Waterkloof, working as a domestic worker, but still the salary wasn't enough. The money wasn't enough. I had to pay Mashonisa every single month. So it wasn't easy, guys. And you know, my background, like my story, I grew up without parents, but my auntie was there just to take care of me. So now I just want to say, at least, thank you so much, Zenith Forex. Like I didn't go to university. All I know is that, guys, I ended up my school at grade 12. That's it. And then from there, I was blessed with a marriage. So today, as I'm here, guys, I'm only 30 years old with 3 kids, plus having this another blesser, which is Zenith Forex, where I make money every single month, every day. Imagine having to supplement whatever that you have inside your house with trading, and way more, because we are using, guys, our automated tools. Imagine having to trade with automated tools. I don't have much experience on trading. I'm just a beginner, but I love the fact that I'm using these automated tools to make myself extra income. Hey, my biggest success trading this week alone, like, guys, it wasn't good like last week, but at least I've made myself 5,800. Imagine, alone, only this week, using my automated tools. I'm talking about the bots, guys. I'm talking about the trading bot, the bots that assist me to trade, as I don't know how to trade. I just plug and play and then make money. So this week I didn't make any withdrawal. I'm busy building my account. I did a withdrawal last week alone, but for now I haven't done any withdrawals. Yeah. My percentage growth this week, I think it's 4% growth. 4% growth. That is why I didn't withdraw. I want to see myself, my account, at least sitting on 20K. So I'm still building my account to grow more, like at least to increase that funds. Yes. Oh yes, I did face some of few losses. You know, I think it was 2% losses because of my mistake. By the time I was switching on my board, I made a mistake on lot size. You know, that one is very, very much important, because if you have set your board, but you've put your lot size wrong, so you might get some few losses. So, but at least I managed to recover that losses. Yes. Okay, my new month, you know, my target, I just want to put it on at least in a week. At least if I can make 20K in a week. You know why? Because I'm using different bots, no longer one bot or 2 bots, at least 4 or 5 bots. So yeah, 20K in just a week. In a month is how much? 20K times 4 months is how much? Times 4. Yeah, like I'm going to kill it. 80K, Baba. Imagine. So, and it's possible because I'm using automated tools. Lesson that I've learned this week alone is to recheck. Make sure that you recheck your setups before you switch on your bot, because I've lost. I had some losses because of the lot size, and again the greedy. You know, if my target was only 3K a day, but I remember it was Tuesday. Because of the greedy, I've reached 3,400, and then I continued trading instead of switching on my bot, because of my target was already reached, but I didn't do that. At the end of the day, I got a loss of 800. Imagine. So I was like, why, Mara? I have to listen, I have to trust the process and do whatever they say. When they say you have your target, and when you reach your target, just switch on your bot, you will trade again tomorrow. That's it. But at least we are learning every single day. This is trading, more mistakes, more learning, good trades ahead. This with this challenge of 2K account, the one that Mr. CEO, he just said he will give us a 2K account, each of us. Everyone have to receive 2K account, and then we have to manage that account. Like, that one is mine. Imagine with the price of 5K, if I'm the one who is going to win, I am going to receive 5,000 Rand from CEO. Like, guys, wait for it. I have a strategy already. I have my own robot, the one that I'm trusting every single day. I know this bot going to make it. And with this bot, what I like about it, you just switch it on and then let it run. Like, it will make things easier. Even though I'm talking about Umelusi bot, even though it won't trade every single day, but I trust the challenge, because this bot only trades quality trades, not just any trades. Like, going to make money. This 5K, ngiyam. Kiyaka. Lalela wena kere kiyaka. This is mine.
Okay, we're rolling. Okay, that's great. You know, this is an uncut, unfiltered version of trading on the financial markets, and I'm so excited to be with you guys yet again. For those who may not know who I am a Mr. S. Dulu, the CEO and founder of Zenith Forex. I want to say, boop, 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 boop. Our first episode was really lit. You guys were amazing, and so excited for this one as well. So, and I like this plant that is here next to me. If you are someone who is a trader, you gotta get yourself this tree. This is a money tree, and it is always in business areas where we deal with big money. So if you have this tree by the east entrance of your home, it is able to literally attract money for you. Or if you are trading, you want to have it on the east side of your table or trading station, it literally brings that aura of money. And there's so many other trees around this vicinity. When I'm just looking, we call these money trees. You need to have a money tree inside your home or inside your family trading office.
I hope you guys are subscribed. I hope you guys are liking our videos because we are killing it as Zenith Forex. My name is Trader Lelo, as I have said, and I am part of the Zenith Forex trading community. I'm one of the traders on the floor of the Zenith trading floor. So guys, we started trading officially live last week for you guys, and it was a pretty slow week since there wasn't too much going on in the markets, especially after the fundamentals. The market decided that they want to go quiet for a bit. So after the FOMCs, there was not much action going on besides the whole war with America and Iran. So those are the only things that kind of moved the markets. It was a very slow week, ended the week on a bit of a loss, but that's not something major. Losses are part of the game. That's how we grow, that's how we learn. And this week I'm also expecting, to actually change the way I do things a bit. So I'm going to actually be on the market actively throughout the whole day, meaning using Umnoto, because remember I trade with Umnoto, the wild bot. Using Umnoto, I will be starting in the morning, trading the morning session, the London session, and I'll also be with you guys during the New York session, but I'll be actively on the market throughout the entire day. So I'm hoping that will help me adjust a bit and end the week with bigger wins than I have previously done. But yeah, I'm super excited for this week. Also going to watch out for the war, watch out what's going on, because the war tends to move the market a lot in like during times where you least expect it. So I can't wait to see how that happens. And there's a lot that'll be going on this week. I'm very excited for this week.
And exciting is what has happened this week. I've seen a lot of growth within the team, and I want to say congratulations. The trading floor, every Monday to Friday, it has been such a fantastic, amazing growth. Thank you for tuning in and trading along with us. We are having so much fun. And there were a lot of confusions around the Strait of Hormuz, whether it was open or whether it was closed. Donald Trump has tried his best with Israel. We see the tensions between the relationship of the United States of America and Israel. It continues to be tested. And in all of those fundamentals, they keep on playing directly on the chart. So we were able to cautionary trade this week. It has been a week where oil literally struggled the most, because as much as it was tanking, but it did not tank aggressively, because the Strait of Hormuz, even though there were reports that it is open, but there were also other reports that were saying that it is closed. There were cautionary movements around the Strait of Hormuz that were then ensuring that ships were not flowing nicely. So we saw that a lot of that in the play of oil and the play of gold. But one thing I have to tell you, gold has made us a lot of money. Sunday crossover the previous week, coming into Monday, I woke up in the money. It was exciting. Literally, I was up, about 6K on Monday. And before the end of the day, I added another additional 4K only trading gold. I'm one person who likes to have a focus instrument every single time I am trading. So when I'm trading with the port, like the Omnota port, which is literally a flippin' dope port that we're having, then I know I just want to put literally gold alone or oil alone. So I did see gold did the most this past week, and I've enjoyed making money on that account. And also, I had an account also that I added trading as well on it with a deposit of about 5K. It continued to make just 12,000 rand in a single week. And it is making all of this money hands free. That's the power of what we are doing. We're not even in a debate of should you trade manually or should we trade using automation, because that's a stupid debate. All manual traders still want to say, no, a real trader is a manual trader. It's not about that, dog. Relax, okay? What we're looking for is like this. If you're going up the steps, you're taking the manual way. Going up the steps, a lot can argue it is healthy, it is good for health. Who cares? When we're going to the third floor, I'm gonna take automation, taking the lift, and I'm gonna get to the third floor first before you. I'm gonna be literally more relaxed and more energized to go there and get the job. So when we're looking at trading automation, it's not a matter of is it the best or not. I make money hands free. I make money in my sleep. Trading automation, we make money even in our sleep. As I told you, I made money with the Sunday crossover. I was not alone on that. The team, a lot of people inside our Zenith Forex trading community did the same. So if you want to see all of those testimonials, waste no time, comment in the comment section down below. And also just ensure you're clicking on the link in the description down below. And you sign up, you join Zenith Forex trading community.
With the budget, sir.
Your tagline, without.
Without a budget. I don't need a budget.
You don't need a budget.
Hi guys, my name is Trader Lee and I'm one of the Forex traders inside the Zenith Forex community, guys. It's been amazing. You guys have watched us even on our episodes and on our lives. I hope you're trading along with us and you're having the fun of the gist of like just being in the market, right? There will be significant changes on this week because we have really epic news coming along and it will move the market in a direction that we want to. But what I wanted to change for this week is that I want to keep my board running as long as possible. so it gets those quality trades. I'm not gonna, map out a lot, but I'm just going to trust in my automated system. I'm using the Umnoto board, guys, and as you know, the Umnoto board is a price action board, so I'm just gonna let it run and then watch the money come in.
I have my levels all the time, and if I'm trading manually, I just open a trade. I don't even need to put an SL because I know it's just gonna go my direction. But that's ego speaking. It's 10 years ego, so I know it. Even if I make a loss, it's a small loss, and going back the right direction, I always be able to compound it. But that move is a move that next time you need to literally enjoy, because you could have anticipated that demand level. Even before the release, you'd know that it's going to come back, it's going to support that area, and then it's going to go back to the top. But Tim, thank you for today, and let's continue tomorrow. And what you're doing great. I'm happy with the progress. You guys are relaxed more. You're understanding what you're doing a little bit better. So continue to have fun with it, and then yeah, come back with more fundamentals, with more news on what is happening around the world, and then link it to your trading in a way that you understand the most. But at the end of the day, don't forget that at the end of the week, if you're not in profit, you're not gonna join us at Rockets, not unless it's gonna be your birthday. So don't F it up. And show by Friday you're in the money. We're in the blues so that we can go and enjoy the weekend. It'll be very painful if we say see you on Monday and you see you on Sunday on our vlog, you're not there. So hopefully everybody will be there, and let's enjoy, let's trade. Itlogele the sente tseo.
Precious trader over here. Guys, what an amazing trading week. It was top tier. Let me start from the top, right? Monday, I obviously traded the crossover that is coming from Sunday when the market opens through to Monday. So we call that opening session like the crossover. So I traded the crossover, and when I woke up in the morning, I had already made $96. So that's about 1,500 rands, which was really great. So that is how I started my day. And then during the course of the day, I still allowed my bot to continue trading, and I made around $95. So overall for Monday, I made a total of $191. So that was super, super epic. Starting the week on a high note, I was like, yeah, I got this. And then coming through to Tuesday was here and there, So I made some losses, but the board also managed to recover. That is what I love about the Umnoto boards. Oh, I didn't mention on Monday from the crossover, I was trading with the Imana board. Ne? Then from Tuesday, I was now trading with the Umnoto board. So started with some losses, and then I managed to recover losses on that day. So I just broke even on Tuesday. Cool. Coming into Wednesday. Whew, guys, Wednesday was such an amazing, amazing trading day. Actually, I let the board run overnight from Tuesday night through till the whole day. So not the whole day, but till 12 midday. So by the time I got to the office, my account was sitting at around $215. Ne? And then by the time it was now midday for the day, I had already made $349. So I was like, I'm good. I'm switching off the boards, and I was fine. So that was on Wednesday. So Wednesday, I had already made that $349, and I was good, happy for the day. Then came Thursday. Thursday, I had a very short trading session, literally like 20 minutes. That was like just before we went live on our trading floor, trading the New York session. So it was around, I don't remember, I think just before 3 o'clock. Yeah. So 20 minutes before then, I switched my Umnoto bot on. And then by three, I had already made $54. I'll put a screenshot. I think it was $54. will attach a screenshot. So that was the money that I had made on Thursday. And then coming through to Friday. How did Friday go again? Yeah, Friday I made $123. So that also hands free, guys, hands free with the Umnoto boards. It did the trading for me and closed my day with a nice young $123. Now, what I loved about this week was that on Wednesday, the market dropped so nicely on gold because I was trading gold on Wednesday. Okay, I was also trading oil, but oil was not performing well at all. Actually, maybe I would have made even $450 because the other 100, it was just like losses coming through from some oil trades because it was just going through some consolidation. But gold did the most, guys, for me on Wednesday because actually the dollar gain value, and that is what had caused the drop in the gold. So I was so happy about that, guys. Fundamentals, they do also play a nice role in this because they just then blend together nicely with the Omnoto boards. The Omnoto board, it just always just catches everything, you know. So for me, Wednesday was super epic with the gold drop, right? A lot of people, in fact, most of us on the floor made so much money on Wednesday. I really, really loved that. It was top tier. And then yeah, man, guys, overall the week was amazing. I won't even lie. It was great. Yeah, it was great. That is all that I can say. I think I will be withdrawing tomorrow on Monday. Yeah, I'll be processing my withdrawal because I've been trading, right? But this not on this particular account. Remember, this account is strictly for the floor for our reality show. I have other trading accounts that I'm trading on my other computers as well. So I've got trading with the boards, obviously. So that's where I usually withdraw my profits from. But this one, I just strictly wanted to be for the flow. And I don't know. I'll see if I'll be withdrawing from it soon, or I'll just keep it. Maybe I'll see. But my withdrawals, I do them from my other trading accounts. But anyway, guys, remember, like my trading approach, basically, it's a very, maybe others might think that it's a slow approach because I usually trade like one instrument at a time. It's only on certain days in J where I would just throw in another instrument, like on Wednesday where I also added oil. But generally, my trading style is a very chilled trading style whereby I trade just one instrument at a time. If I'm trading gold, I'm trading gold. If I'm trading oil, I'm trading oil. If I'm trading indices, I'm trading indices. That is how I like to trade. Why do I choose that trading approach? Because it's like it's very, I won't say risk free because like risk is there, you know, it's part of trading, but it minimizes your risk. You're able to grow your account properly. You're able to be consistent and just not over leverage your account generally. So I really like that you are able to see consistent growth. So maybe if you're someone who's starting out in trading as well and you are just thinking, how should I trade? Or, you know, maybe try the approach of just choosing one instrument and then trading one instrument at a time, and then just don't over leverage your account. So I like that kind of trading style. I've seen a lot of progress with it. Imagine for like the past 10 years, that's how I've generally been trading. It has helped me a lot. I've seen improvement. Yeah, let me say, because when I started trading, right, I did sometimes like to trade many instruments, and then but over time just learning and seeing that, you know what, no man, let me, yeah, well, let me just trade one instrument at a time. So I got to see what actually works for me. So this is a tip that I can just give to someone, that if you're starting out, maybe just try to focus on one instrument at a time. Don't want to trade many instruments at the same time. Then you'll be able to see proper growth. For example, let me just make an example with Wednesday. If I was trading just gold only, I would have made more money than the $349 that I made. But because I had added oil as well. Oil had some losses, so you get to save yourself from that. You don't have to now find that sometimes you make a lot of money with the one instrument and the other instrument is not doing well. So just trade one instrument and then be consistent. That is what has been working for me. So maybe you can try it out if you like. But yeah, that is just the advice that I would maybe recommend to someone who's starting out, who's like, oh, I'm so afraid of trading, but yeah, basically that's how my week went. I'm super excited for the coming week. Listen, I'm excited. I want to make money as per usual. So, yeah.
Oh, hi there. Hope you are having a great day and you are enjoying, our second episode at of the trading floor here at Zenith Forex. So as you know, my name is Saint, assistant trader right here at Zenith Forex. I just actually joined the floor this week, and it was a very eventful week, let me tell you. And we've been seeing some good profits. Most of the traders here at the floor have been seeing some good profits, on different instruments and different, trading pairs. They've been seeing some good profits. And as well on my end, today it is a Wednesday. I did about $166. That's about 2.7 or so, of which is a very good money just for a day. And I'm trading umnoto, that it means wealth. That's the wealth board. So as I said, myself, I just leave the board to do what it needs to do. So I'm hoping, to be growing, with, this board, just allowing it to do what it has to do. I don't need to stress. I don't need to, to apply anything that is technical. I don't need to even to know about anything. Like I'm talking about someone who doesn't even know what a candlestick is. Someone doesn't even know what technical analysis is. Can be able to trade with the Umnoto board. So how do you even get Umnoto bot? Be sure to go on our platform at school, or check on the description below. There's a number that is written Saint, so you can be able, to engage me on WhatsApp, and you can be able to talk, and I'll tell you more about the Umnoto bot. That is my favorite bot because it's the bot that is actually giving me wealth. So as I said, today I've made about 2.7. Imagine 2.7 in South Africa. In South Africa, it's a lot of money. It's a lot of money. So it's about, like, imagine if you were to average that on a daily, it's a lot of money for you to be able to have a comfortable life in the South African economy. So I want you, to join me on this journey. Come with me. Let us see where we are going on this journey, and let's see where Umnoto will take us.
And great news as well. I want to clap for us. I want to clap for us. We've grown, and now we're about 2,800 plus members inside of our Zenith Forex Trading community. We've grown 100 members plus from last week's episode. So we want to thank you guys for literally tuning in, joining the community, seeing the success testimonials, and being also the part of the whole experience. I know some of you are still watching from afar. You've got an option. Do you want to watch us win, or do you want to come and win with us? The choice is yours. Do you want to take the risk or remain the same? The choice is yours. Success is attracted to speed. Those who will take action will be able to see their lives changing for the most. So a beautiful, nice, chill spot. So I'm taking everyone out to Rocket here in mainland Maine. We're just going to go out there, have beautiful lunch. So we're having a luncheon just to showcase through to you the life of traders, how it's like to be a trader. You're able to be, hard tense on the charts at any point in time. The next point, we're literally out having fun, enjoying our money right there. So Rocket, we're pulling up, and we're going to be celebrating everybody born from Jan and to June, until June. So all the people within our team who have been born from Jan to June, I just want to say to them, happy birthday, guys. You've been nothing but amazing to the team in building this organization, and may God truly continue to bless you and help you grow your finances abundantly And I'm looking forward to seeing you breaking the chains of poverty and being at the top financially in your family. If you're not yet a millionaire, and I'm looking also to seeing you becoming the first millionaire in your family. And to those who are already millionaires, I'm looking forward to seeing you making more millions within our company and grow and we touch more people out there. And if you're at home and you are celebrating your birthday from Jan to June, I want to say to you as well, a happy belated birthday. And as you're watching this, video, it's not by mistake, it's by divine, anointing and appointment. And that God wants to see you elevated in your life. May He continue to direct you as to how you're going to navigate to the next level of opulence in your life. And may you find your answered prayers within the project that we're doing. Also, as we are cutting the cake, enjoying everything as you're watching, see yourself winning with us. As we are dining there as kings and queens, your seat will also be there. Looking forward to seeing you elevating yourself into the seats of kings and queens.
I hope you guys know me by now. I am Trader Lelo. Yes, I am Trader Lelo, a beginner trader with the Zenith Forex Trading Floor. Zenith Forex Trading Floor. I am new to the industry of trading, new to, using automated systems. And yeah, I'm just a girl from a small town called Dundee, but I also represent people from Mutu because that is where my dad is from. So just a girl from a small town in KZN called Dundee who's just trying to make it out here in the big city. I'm currently in Pretoria and I'm just, trading. Trading is something very foreign from where I come from. Everybody back home is either a teacher, a nurse, a doctor, a lawyer. Those are, the structured careers that everybody ventures to. So I decided to do something different because I've always been independent. I've always wanted to do my own thing and be different. And trading was something that spoke to me because I did like, finances and I do like making money. So it's something that I've always wanted to venture into. And I finally was able to do so with Zenith and automated systems. This week, guys, this week I managed to recover all my losses. This week, you do know that the week before I had made losses on my account. It was about 1.5% loss on my account. I have managed to break even this month and just make a little bit of profits. I think it was about 200 Rand profits. It wasn't much, but I am grateful for that profits and the fact that I was able to get my account back to where I started. Imagine starting the month with a very high account and then all of a sudden you're losing money, you're not making money anymore, and now you're actually making money. So I'm grateful, I'm very happy, and that is one of my biggest successes this week. Building my account long term, and I want to see how far I can grow it. Remember, I started with the 10K account. That's all I started with. Currently, I'm sitting at 38.4, and I want to see by the end of this year how much money I would have made. Hopefully, I would have made very close to 1 million or more. But besides that, this month I'm aiming to actually grow my account by 20,000 Rand. And, I'm aiming high this month. So I'm hoping to grow this account. I'm growing it long term, not short term. I'm not going to be withdrawing anytime soon. I just want to see how much money I can actually make in the duration of this entire year. I want to make money this month. My trading target this month is a profit of 20K. 20K is what I want to make this month. Hopefully, within the first 2 weeks, actually. That is what I want to do because I have a very powerful bot. So, 20K, a very, very small change this side. That's what I want to make. 20K this month. Biggest challenge that I had towards the market is fear. I really did fear the markets. I feared losing money. Our CEO likes to say, scared money is lost money because it loses all the time. And I was part of those people who are always scared. I'm a very secure person. I'm a very protective person. And my capital, I've always wanted to protect my capital by all means. So this means I am afraid to lose money. So I had to learn and grow that losing money is part of the process. Losing money is something that happens here. So remember, when you lose money, it's just 1%. But when I make money, I forget absolutely every little fear that I have. So overcoming fear has been the biggest thing. And I don't know why I fear, because I've always made money on the market. I've always made money on the market. And I've been a very profitable trader, considering that I just started 4 months ago. So I don't know why I feared, but it was fear. And I'm just grateful to be at a point where I don't fear the market anymore. The market taught me a lot of patience this week. When we trade. Trading has 3 sessions: the Asian session, the London session, and the New York session. So usually I'm at the office by the London session, and I trade US 30, right? So trading US 30 means during the London session, my instrument might be asleep, while others are trading different things, and their markets are actually moving. So I've had to be very patient, wait for my session to start, and wait for the market to break, and actually make profits utilizing that break in the market. So patience has been the biggest game that has made me actually very profitable this month. I'm a firstborn child at home. When you're a firstborn, your parents expect a lot from you, and you tend to actually face a lot of challenges. A lot is expected from you as a firstborn child, and I hadn't reached most of the milestones that my parents had set for me. So trading was able to give me that push, that push into financial freedom, that push into making my own money, that push into becoming a version of myself that my parents can be proud of. It's something that most firstborns face, and when you are stagnant as a firstborn, it's hard to overcome challenges, and it's hard for you to find a sense of embrace with your family. But trading has given me that. It's given me a sense of, my parents are proud, my family's proud, my siblings actually have somebody that they can call whenever they need something. So it has actually made me a better person and a better role model for my siblings as a firstborn child, and my parents are very proud. So that's just it. Ooh, guys. Yo, I forgot about the challenge. Guys, this challenge, I'm very, very excited. My strategy is to trade my bots like, a pro. I'm scalping those markets, getting into good trades, going in and out of the markets, make sure I make the most profit. So I'm not trading in ranging markets. I'm not trading in too volatile markets. I'm just trading and in between those phases where I can actually make the most profit. So that is my strategy this week, making sure I make the most profits, because I really do want to win that challenge, and I will win that challenge.
And talking about how trading has been good this past week, we also have released such a powerful trading tool. OMG, we released the Nebo bot. Now, the Nebo bot is not just, another bot. Now, the Nebo bot is our first official MT5 trading bot. And I literally added an account yesterday, and I wanted to test its prowess for over the weekend performance. And guess what? I was able to literally fund the capital from 4,000 rands just yesterday. And today, this morning, when I woke up before 10 a.m., the account has already grown to have a profit of 3,100 rands. And that is beautiful. That is big. I want to say, big up to the Ngcebo board. That is a big performance. And I like the fact that the Ngcebo board, it's a weekend trader as well. It trades 24/7, 365 days a year. So now we are no longer sleeping. We're no longer resting, in the market. So we can continue to go shopping, go have breakfast, go have luncheons like we will be, but we've got a powerful trading tool that is going to be continuing to trade as and when we are still busy in the market. Right now, it's also continuing to trade. It's got a trade that's running, and the trade is currently in profit, and the profit is about 280. I will show you on the screen. I will capture the screen. They'll put it up there. I did take the screenshot. It is already up also, about 280. It's a new trade that it took. So it is very good in trading any type of setup. And it's very great in, after taking profit. If the market is going to continue going that direction, re-entries after those retracements, very powerful tool to do that. So if you don't have yourself the Ngcebo board, you got to literally see how powerful it is and waste no time and get your hands on it. And we're going to be showing you the power of the Ngcebo board. I'm dedicating this coming month of July to the prowess of the Ngcebo board. So I'm going to be showing you whether you're funding with a small account of 4K, 5K, 10K, and to see how far we can stretch it. I'm one trader who literally fully trusts the process. I also just let all my bots run around the clock 24/7, 365 days a year, because I'm not going to literally sit there and be the one that watches the market and the board like I watch Cocomelon. We don't do that here. We literally plug the boards and we let them to trade. I fully trust the process, and it always pays off. So we're just going to be continuing to showcase you week by week how the boards are performing and how the team is trading with the boards, just showcasing through to you as well how the markets are trading, how the local and international geopolitics are performing and also are affecting the charts.
My name is Patrick Ralele. I'm from Soshanguve, so I'm well known as Saint right here at the Zenith Forex community. So I'm from a place called Jugulane in Soshanguve, that is in Pretoria. Yes, good things do come out of Jugulane. So what I'm bringing here at Zenith Forex is a vast knowledge of the market, of technical analysis, and I'm here, to make my impact right here at Zenith Forex. On Monday, I've joined the trading floor, and my biggest success was me, taking my capital, or rather, making about 1,300 in a gold trade that I took on Monday. So it was a good success. It was a good way to start the week and start the trading floor with. Okay, basically, I'm more of an asset manager. So I'm building the account for a long term. So yeah, I'm just having some steady growth, steady growth, steady growth throughout the months and years. Oh man, my account this week, as I said on Monday, I did a good amount, about 1.3. Then on Tuesday, I became overly confident and bumped up my trading lot size, of which it affected my account so badly. So throughout the week, I've been, working on trying to increase, to make sure that I increased my account and take it back to where it was. So this week I'll spend it more on, trying to recover some of my losses that I had on the account. For the new month, I'm looking up to do at least 15K monthly. Rather, in fact, this month, if I can do 15K in the month of July, I would actually say I've done a good work. So yeah, I'll just be trusting the process, leaving the board to do its own thing. So I'll just, allowing, the process to take its course this month. And as I said, I'm from Soshanguve, Jugulane. And many people are not expecting anything good to come out of there. And personally, as someone who has, over the years, started to learn different type of mindsets, as I did speak before that, I did go to school like any other person, went to varsity and qualified as a public relation practitioner. But my personal story was that I do not want to be caught up in the 9 to 5 trap, So I had to look for something that will give me the time and freedom and time, as it was actually my big why. Trading has taught me a lot of things. The biggest being not to be overly confident, and also to trust the process. Because the thing that I noticed this week is that I became overly confident the first time I entered into the market and make some good money. So on the second day, I bumped my lot size, of which if I could have not bumped my lot size, whatever loss that I could have incurred, in that trading session would have not been as big as it became. But I've learned my lesson that, what, don't be overly confident, trust the process, trust the, as you say, we are using automated bots. You have to trust the process, trust the bots, because they know exactly what they're doing. They'll never be fearful, they'll never be overly confident or whatsoever. So they just do according to how they're actually, programmed.
So now we're also going to be having a bit of changes in the trading floor. Now, our trading floor is going to be segmented into two for this coming week. We want to test something because when we are having this movement, our movement is based in over 40 countries globally. And now, when you've got a community of about 2,800 traders based in over 40 countries, the challenge becomes as to when exactly can you be able to reach your audience at the best time? So we were trading the pre-New York Open and New York Open, so between 1400 hours, 1500 hours till 1700 hours ish. So now that caters a lot for the American audience because it's early in the morning in America and that region. But in South Africa, people are knocking off from work. So they're unable to fully join and participate in the floor. Now, strategically, so that we are able to reach everybody across Africa, because we've got a lot of people in Africa, as you know, all the SADC region, as high as the East, North, and West Africa. We've got people all over all the way to Brazil, Canada, America, everywhere, even Dubai. So in order to cater for everybody to have a taste of what we're doing, so we are literally gonna now be coming through from 1500 hours Central African time, and we're gonna be ending at 1700 hours Central African time, just to capture the New York Open and take a 1 hour break. Now, having the rest of the team join us in the evenings from about 1800 hours until 2100 hours. So we're going to be pushing that just to give you as well a chance from home. I know a lot of you are still working full time at Bastion, and we want to show you the power of hands-free trading automation and also having a trading buddy. As I always say, trading alone is boring, and trading with other people, it is something that's epic. So be the one that comes through and join us and see the prowess of our hands-free automated trading tools. Now, this coming month of July, we've got a very big announcement on our fourth. Is it going to be what? It's going to be our fourth or third episode. Oh, on our third episode, we're going to be dropping a very big announcement that's going to benefit everyone who's part of our community. So do come through for the third episodes because we're going to be dropping a very big transformation. It's something that's going to elevate everybody. So do stay tuned for it. It's a big announcement, and we're going to be changing the game not only in South Africa but across the globe. Looking forward to the announcement. So do ensure that you pull up for it. And on this episode, as I'm talking like this, there's one trader inside of our community that has truly, truly, truly touched me, touched my heart. I saw a trading testimonial from a trader called Trader Cody M. Now, Cody M literally doesn't know much about trading, and she struggled a lot even to set up a trading board and all of that. Now, little to no technical experience of how to use, the laptop and on how to actually use trading MT4, platform, but my team was able to literally assist her. And now, once the technical team had assisted her, she had funded her account with just 1,000 rands. From 1,000 rands deposit, guess what? In a couple of days, the Omnoto trading port was able to grow her account from 1,000 rands all the way to about 15,000 rands profit in a few trading days. That thing is big. I want to clap hands for you. I want to clap hands for you, Trader Cody M. And I have to say this. Allow me. Boop, 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 boop. That is something amazing. You have truly shown us the power of hands-free trading automation, where you've got little to no trading experience, you don't even know how to withdraw that profit. Because after she had made that profit, she had to also, contact one of the trading mentors on the floor to say, hey, please, help me. I see this money on my account. How do I withdraw it? Just imagine having profit 15K richer and you don't know how to even withdraw. That's the power of what we're doing. Now we no longer need to go through a hideous, very challenging, months and years of trying to learn and master trading the financial markets like how I did. I had to go through a very challenging first year when I was learning on how to trade. On my first 6 months, I blew over 100,000, losing all the savings that I had that I was not able to lose. I couldn't afford to lose that money, but I lost all of it. Just needing to learn all of this so that I can make the journey better for others who came after me. So right now, you guys don't have to struggle like how I have. And also, as much as this testimonial is so great, it doesn't mean that this is something that you get rich quick overnight. No ways. It always depended on so many factors. For example, market performance, risk applied into the account, and the type of bot that you've selected. So it's very important when you're coming into this, you're coming with a sober mind, knowing that you're willing to start this as a business. And when you start a business, you need to have a good capital, you need to have proper resources, you need to buy a proper trading laptop, and you need to also now ensure you've got a good working internet connection so that you're able to run our, automated trading tools 24/7 around the clock. But to you, Trader Cody M, we're so proud of you. You've done something amazing for yourself. And I'm hoping that you're enjoying your withdrawals. It's a beautiful month and weekend. And some others are getting paid. They've been waiting for payday. You didn't have to wait for payday because payday is any day when you're trading hands-free on the financial markets. So we're so proud of you for doing all of that.
So it's rolling. Testimonial for the week is just to bring y'all into my world. I am a 22-year-old trader. Yes, I said it. My years are 22 years old in this earth, and I'm from a small town in Pretoria, a township called Garankuwa. Those who know it, it's just a township. I'm from the hood. I'm the girl from the hood. And as you know, guys, I'm the baddie without a budget. I don't need a budget. The way I'm making so much money with trading inside the Zenith Forex community, it's been a blast. And as a beginner trader, it just simplifies things for me. I don't have to handle heavy concepts of the market. I don't have to overanalyze any charts. I just trade effortlessly in order for me to make money and make my life better, be independent, and have structure within my family, right? I'm building structures in my family. I'm changing the entire generation in my level. Like, it's really, really crazy the way my homestead is changing on a daily just because I am a trader, just because I have the skills in order to change their lives also. So guys, I've started trading a few months ago and I've literally just accelerated into this trader that I am today. And a lot of progress has been made from just having a 5K account to now managing a 15K account and towards even doubling my account in the nearby future. I'm so excited to be trading along with the board and making sure I myself, the news lady, I only deal with fundamentals on a daily, telling you what to trade. So obviously, I'm going to go through that route of like listening to fundamentals and knowing what to trade when. So yeah, that's a gist about from my side. My trading success this week is that I was able to recover most of my losses that I've made. So I've made just about over 1,000 rands. So that was a major, major impact in my trading because I had gone through a loss last week. So a little bit of regainment from that really, really helped. I am building my account long term. Yes, I'm building my account long term so that I can easily have the most money out of the Zenith Forex Floor. Well, unfortunately, this week I was only working on recovering losses that I've made. So, but I have a tiny percentage to cover so that I break even. And then from there, I'll be accelerating to my profits. And I think I didn't have trust with the board. I didn't trust the board completely. And that made me get out of the market really, really soon. And I didn't leave the board to just execute the trades the way it does because it looks at things a bit long term than what you can technically analyze. So I've been really hesitant, but this week I'm coming into the week trusting the board completely and even trading the London session because most of my instruments have movement along those lines. My trading target is actually doubling my account. I'm just sitting at 15K. So if I could just hit that 15K mark again and reach 30K by the end of the month, I'd be so happy. It definitely taught me how to manage greed. I mean, if you're handling an account and the board executes trade, meaning that your daily target is maybe 2K a day, stay at 2K a day. If it's 1K, stay at 1K. If you've reached 1K in the London session, don't stay in the market hoping to grow it to now 5K. Don't do that. Set an amount that you are able to cater for every day. Have a goal each and every day so that you can't be greedy and then the market goes to the opposite direction and you'd lose most of your profits. So that's my lesson for this week. I'm the last born of my family. And most of our families, I feel like they believe the firstborn carries the most weight. Well, in my family, I'm actually the one who structures everything up. So I didn't grow up in a rich household. We are very, stable, but I'd love to then accelerate my family. I love comfort for my family. So this is one of the goals that I'm trying to stand on as of this moment. I am going to just trade. A London session, New York session, I'm going to get in, making sure that I follow fundamentals, knowing what to trade when, especially with the both sessions not mixing up, not marrying an instrument. This is what I learned because I've been trading oil and we've both saw that oil has been in confusion with the Strait of Hormuz and everything that has been happening around the fundamentals, but I stayed on oil. That's the problem. You marry an instrument. So coming into the next month, I won't be marrying an instrument. I'll be trading what is volatile at that moment, which has much liquidity so that I can profit from it. So yes, the bet is going to take it home.
My dream and my vision is to literally have at least one trader every family that's hands-free automated that is able to push the growth and the success of their families beyond their generation, because the power of that access that they're having with these tools is the fact that they don't only have to own it themselves, but when they pass on, it is something that they're able to pass on to the next generation. For example, if I'm a professional doctor or a professional lawyer, I've got my credentials, and when I die, I cannot pass that on to my kids They can't go and practice with my law degree. But with automated, hands-free trading tools, if and whenever I pass on, my kids will still be able to enjoy the hands-free automation. So you have something that you can pass on to the next generation. We call that legacy. So these hands-free trading automation tools is what you can now leave for your kids whenever the time when you get to pass on comes. And to everybody who's coming through, coming through all the way from KZN Newcastle, this is your boy from KZN Newcastle, shining all the way in Pretoria and Melon Made, the capital city of South Africa. Been staying here for over 20 years. This is literally my hometown now. But I know Corner all the way in KZN, KwaZulu-Natal, KZN North, everybody around, Newcastle, everybody around Standerton, Fullcross, Pietermaritzburg, Lundi, Dandi, Ngoto, everybody all the way to NRB, stand up, Devon, stand up, and also to all the people who shown us so much love, all the way, as high as Kiani Malamlele, all the way to Bushpark Ridge. Everyone in Pumalanga, we love you so much. Middleback, everybody, Mtoni, and Nazareta, we see you. Stand up, everybody in Windbank. So much love for you. And everybody who took care of me when I used to stay, there in Pretoria North. I used to stay at Karen Park. At some part, I used to also stay at Soshanguve, Gori H, everybody in Block H, stand up, Gori G, stand up. And everybody at Tshwane University of Technology, this is your boy right here. We are here to change the game, elevate it to the next level. I want to say to everybody in Soweto, that's another home of myself. Used to stay in Soweto for a couple of years. I love Soweto, so Soweto, stand up. All my people go sent in, go the real north. I love you guys. I did spend some time working around there as well. Stand up, everybody in Cape Town. We were just in Cape Town as Zenith Forex. We want to say thank you for pulling up in your numbers. We love you in Cape Town, in Waterfront. We were there. We'll definitely still be coming back through to you. And as much as we're going, go Matatiele, we're going, go East London, go Kabeja, everybody in those areas, we see you. Stand up. Everybody in Rustenburg, stand up, Northern Cape, all the places, and even the places I didn't mention, we love you so much. Pretoria, stand up. And everyone, when we're talking Botswana, you're so close to our heart. We have got a lot of people in our community who are based in Botswana, in Namibia, in Lesotho as well. We love you so much. They're in Zimbabwe, Bulawayo, all the way in Ghana as well. We've got a lot of people in Nigeria, and we've got a lot of people in Tanzania. We have got so much love for you. Dubai, stand up. We love you in Dubai. A lot of people also in Paris, a lot of people in Canada, in America, in London. Guys, all over the world, Zenith Forex is standing up. Stand up with us. Do comment in the comment section down below. Let us know, where are you watching us from? And we hope that you are going to be enjoying this episode and all our future episodes. Let's continue to see what's happening today. We are leaving the HQ. This is where the Forex headquarters is at. This is the new Wall Street. This is Wall Street in South Africa, the second richest square mile in Africa, obviously second to, Sandton. Right now, this is, the mainland main area, and I see there's a blockage here. But we are coming here, this beautiful, massive building. This is where we're going to be having our luncheon. And so we're going to be having some lead experiences over there, going to Rockets, just to showcase you guys how nice it is, being a trader. We live and enjoy. There's so much inspiration around this vicinity. And while you're busy working at the HQ, you are seeing an Austin Martin pull up, you're seeing, there's a Porsche, you're seeing a Lambo. So you want to be in that kind of environment because it empowers you to actually say, you know what, let me dream bigger. There's no cap in how much money you can actually make inside this trading industry. So running Zenith Forex, this is literally a trading school community, but at the same time, this is a private equity firm. We are every single day, growing our trading portfolio hands-free. Got so many trading boards running on the cloud with different amounts, growing our proprietary firm, and you're seeing it starting nicely, and you're gonna also get to experience it at its prime, because we literally gonna be growing one of the world's biggest proprietary firms coming straight from Africa, and we're taking you along with us to say you can also replicate the process for yourself, for your kids. You don't need to literally wait far too long to be able to do it. So do come along and do stay with us as we're pulling up to rockets. Let's go.
Private school group, automated execution, see the matrix move. I stand it in the field, Zenith will fix it for us. Your naive is so silum, it knows it will clear the path.
So this is the old HQ. This is where it all began back in 2020, 2021, 2022. We were literally that side, and then we had to upgrade over the years, and then we pulled up to the new HQ. So we've been around here for a minute now. We're running the city, Pretoria, Mainland Main. We are not newbies here, okay? Actually, guy? Retain. Kibo kaki 20 rand. All right. Guys, we have 20 rand. Oh, okay. You can keep the change and give me whatever excess. Next time when I come, get a mahala nkir.
Yeah, ke tla o hopola re mo lebelle. Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. All right, guys, it's also important to spread your abundance. Where to whom much is given, much is expected. 20 rands is the excess. If the lady that was assisting me gave me back the 80 bucks, it doesn't mean much to me, but it means the world to her. So to whom much is given, also give to others so that they're able to grow. And she appreciated a lot. She said, God bless me, so that's how you accumulate blessings from wherever you go. So always ensure that you pay it forward. Looking for a parking right now, and as soon as I get it, we're pulling up. Sure, bosso. How many parking?
Oh, sure, no make it.
Go, guy. Don't you have one nearby here? Don't you have one nearby this side?
emotional tears. The algorithm is clearing all the fears. Sivule my child, trend line iyakula.
Ayikonakali. Oh, so konje, who else is 1, 2, 3, 4? Ooh, and then Nichelene vele. All right, guys. It's nice seeing all beautiful faces like this. Yo, my heart is so happy. Yeah. You know, you guys look like money. I love seeing you guys look like this. And from this all the way to the top, you know, elevation and elevation. Today we are here because we want to celebrate, you know, 4 amazing people, remarkable people. You know, it's been such a great journey with you guys. And what do you need? In your way. Oh, all right. Here together, we are here to celebrate all of you. It's been a beautiful journey with all of you guys. You know, it's a different story with everybody. The first time, you know, Trader T pull up to the HQ, the before and after this Trader T. I'm telling you, you know. And just to say thank you, Trader T, for being, you know, the first person to actually, you know, join the HQ. So you've literally built the organization bottom up. You know, all our successes and failures, you know. So the HQ as we know it today would have not been what it is if it wasn't for your contribution. And as we're celebrating you as well today, may God continue to bless you with more wisdom and great wealth. Continue to shine, continue to be humble, because that's the biggest test. When you get the money, you need to remain, you know, as humble as possible. So, but may great elevation continue to be with you. You've literally created so many millionaires. I want to see you be the next millionaire. So let's make it happen within the next year. I want to celebrate your million in your bank. So yeah, big up. Thank you for all of that. And the first time we had Trader E join, you know, our movement, I remember very well. She's been watching us from afar for a minute, but she knew that this is her home. And when she finally decided to join our organization, I think on the first day or first few days, she made over 50K, literally just like that. And I knew that you were destined for great things. I knew without a doubt that within the next, you know, 90 days, you're going to become one of our millionaires. And so you've done so well. Fast forward, you've made 2 full millions with the company. And very soon, you're going to be celebrating your 3rd million with Zenith Forex. It just shows that when you're hungry for something, God can do everything. You've literally came with a very big why. No matter what the noise on the ground was, but you remain steadfast. You didn't let the noise, you know, move you. You were like a very strong tree, grounded in the roots of why you joined this company. And you remembered why you're doing this. You remembered your kids. You remembered your partner. You are working for your family. And all the successes we've seen you achieve in this organization, buying your car cash, buying your land cash, you know, and all of those are great. And I just want to say to you, it's only a beginning. You've not yet seen what God will do for you, with this company. All I can say is you're about to 10x your success. And I'm looking forward to seeing you as a multi-millionaire. Your 10 million is nothing, you know. Let us make at least 3 more millions this year before end of the year. You know, I know every single time I give you a milestone, it seems like it's too high, it's too much, but you always hit it even faster than I say. So my challenge to you before this year end, I'm challenging you to at least in your bank 3 more millions before December. I know it's possible. I know you're gonna do it. And more property, more cars bought cash, because you are the content lady. You buy things cash. I like that about you. And you never look down upon yourself. You know, the past, your history of who you used to be and who you are today, these are 2 different things. So when God says that I knew you before I even formed you, and I've set you for great exploits, we are seeing great exploits. So never move away from God. Never for a single moment ever think what you've achieved, it's because of your own efforts. It's God. And you know, sometimes you can have success get into your head. Don't. Always remember that as fast as how God has given you all of this, He can take it away. So always remember God. We are here, we're human beings. You know, you can forget us, but don't forget who gave you the success and God will always take you to be at happy. I also want to say, thank you to your kids, because they're seeing mommy less, because you've married the business, you've married the hustle. And so I want to say thank you to your kids, to your partner, for actually allowing you to walk this journey. This is not just her journey, but she's doing this for all of you guys. Continue to support her, because she's bringing in the bag, baby. And may God continue to elevate you, more wealth, more health, and more longevity, and more success with the company as well. Now, the first time Lethabo pulled up for an interview at the HQ, she was so young. Lethabo has grown so fast in a very short space of time. She was this young lady who was so determined, very hungry, wanted to change her life. And she shared a very painful story of who she is and where she's coming from. And she was so determined to change that. Lethabo is one person at the HQ who does not literally pull up without ensuring that she pulls up. So she always looks great, and always ensure that you always continue to look as great as possible. So yeah, you're one person who always has her hair done well, your lashes, your makeup, how you even dress, the company t-shirt, Mara, the way you put everything together, you ensure that you slay, you ensure that you look like the millionaire that you're going to become. And you've gone through so much. I don't know how are you still here. There's so many challenges you face in a very short space of time. A lot of people who had it easier than yourself gave up because of smaller yana challenges, but you're still here. You didn't give up. You're going through so many different changes all at the same time, but you keep on coming up. You keep on smiling. It shows that God and your guiding angels are taking you to somewhere greater. Do not give up on who you're becoming. You know, who you used to be, and the vision of the lady that you said you want to become, I see you becoming that. So don't give up on yourself. Unkulunkulu didn't take you so to where you are to leave you. God took you so far. It's just the beginning. So never give up on yourself. It may not happen as fast as you want it to happen, but it is happening either way. Just like when you plant a seed underground, some people may write it off because the seed will die. But the seed is not dying. It has to go through that process to actually germinate and give us a very beautiful tree. So you're becoming that beautiful tree. You may feel like you're dying, you may feel like certain things, you may feel like your peers are doing other things, but God has placed you at the perfect place. This is where you're supposed to be, and you've given us the best of yourself. We've seen the best of Lethabo even when you were going through your worst. Don't give up. Continue to give us your best self, and continue to give our community that beautiful smile, always giving others the hope. You always say a berry without a budget. I never used to understand what that means, but I know that you are now a berry that doesn't need a budget because you're making a bag for yourself. Wishing you all the great of success. And I want to see that cup before the end of the year. So looking forward to seeing you buying it contant cash, and apartment and more properties upon you. Great success upon your life. And may God and your guiding angels continue to protect you and grant you strength to everything that you are literally still going to face. Just know that you've already conquered. Continue to shine. And again, more wishes, more great wealth, great health upon your life as we're celebrating you today as well. Continue to actually dream bigger. And also, we also just say, thank you to your mom who's always supported you, your sister who's been with you in your journey. May they continue to support you, because you're going to be the person who's going to set your family financially free. So let's go for it. And here on my right, I've got Mr. Saint Patrick. So this man here has been with the movement for about 13 years now. So he's been there for so many years. When he was very young, so he started working with me when he was very, very young, when he was still in tertiary. So I used to be Saint supervisor in university. So I was the guy who was going to decide whether he graduates or not in the university. So he started learning and mastering a lot of things that he does now. He learned them when I taught him while he was still in varsity. And I was proud to see him graduate because he literally gave the best of himself. He was not supposed to actually make it because all odds were against him, but he made it regardless. And I don't know why, I don't know how, but he chose to work with me and to say what, Mr. S, wherever you go, let's build. I'll learn and I'll always continue to contribute to everything that you're building. So Saint, I want to say 13 years later, you're no longer the person that I first met when you were busy working on your work integrated learning in tertiary. You are now a young man, a man who's literally done great for himself. This guy is a millionaire right here, a very humble person. You'll never hear him flex about what he has, what he drives, what he's done for his family. Just want to say to you, with what God has gifted you, you've taken care of your family. Your mom is really proud of you today for everything you've done for him, for her. So proud of you to actually take care of your family. And as God is continuing to elevate you, may you also remain humble, because great success always make people to be pompous. But for as long as you remain humble, God will always take you higher and higher. We've seen so many successes together. Let's continue to see more and more successes to $1 billion level. That's where we headed. He's seen many millions. He's still going to see more millions. But now, the next level, it's the $1 billion level. And more success to you, Saint. More elevation to you. More wisdom to you. And let's make more money. So yeah, team, to everyone, January to June, we're celebrating all of you. And we want to say, boop, 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 boop. Let's make more money, guys. It's either you're making money or it's a long story. So no long stories. Let's make money and we celebrate you. Do enjoy.
Wow. Mr. S has said a mouthful. Like, I'm so happy to have you guys in the office, having all of you guys here. It's so amazing. The hard work that you guys are putting in, like the change that we've seen in your lives. It's truly, truly humbling. And from a senior trader perspective, seeing how you guys didn't even know how to trade, but now you're able to trade and make so much money. It's truly amazing, guys. Like, wow, I'm so proud of each and every one of you. And I can't wait to see the many more millions that you guys are going to have. Like, I can see that you guys are going to succeed in every single thing you're going to do, especially the trading parts, because now we are doing it daily and it's live. Even Trader T never used to like being on camera, but she came out of a comfort zone. So that is like so amazing, being able to step out of your comfort zone to do something that is going to better your life. I'm truly proud of you for that. Trader E, bona, la. Yo, I'm so proud of you as well. You're doing the best that you can, and you are making a lot of money. Imagine you didn't even know anything about trading, but you're able to profit each and every single day when you are trading. Well done, big ups to you, Trader Lee. Yo, singaba yini ngaphandle kwakho for the news. Yo. Wow, keep it up, guys. Like the progress in your lives, in your trading. Super proud of you. And also Trader Saints. Wow, man. Like, yeah, Mr. S has said a lot. And yeah, I'm also proud of you. The money that you've made, buying 2 cars cash, guys. Do you understand that? Wow, it's truly amazing. Just looking forward to rising to greater heights with everyone. And yeah, man, let's make more money.
Kusilela makevukile Zenith yasebenza tula uyibuke No stress, no emotional tears The algorithm is clearing all the fears Sivule charts, trend line iyakula Zenith moving steady, engine running deep Making moves while the world is fast asleep In Nombolo Yetu, private school group Automatic execution, see the matrix move I Zenith is Osilu Zenith will fix it for us Yo Naiazi is Osilu It knows it will clear the path
All right, while we're sitting like this, the money to pay the bill has been made, you know? The money to pay the bill has been made hands-free. You know, look at that. Nebo bot hands-free. While we are busy here, the money to pay the bill is literally being made right now. Okay. That's the power. Get yourself the Nebo automated bot and be able to make money over the weekend, okay? It's time to trade. Little Khaled said it's a well, let's go. Get it!
Zenith moving steady, engine running deep Making moves while the world is fast asleep In Nombolo Yetu, private school group Automated execution, see the matrix move I Zenith is Osilu Zenith will fix it for us Yo Naiazi is Osilu It knows it will clear the
Akakhohlakali usakhona.
Nokuthi sizobalana so sithi siyaqala ngosami ublesse lokhu kudla esizokudla sibonga umusa wakho nothando lwakho imhla namalanga amen.
iyasebenza thula uyibuke. No stress, no emotional tears. The algorithm is clearing all the fears. Sivule my charts, trend line iyakula. Zenith moving steady, engine running deep, making moves while the world is fast asleep. In number, yeah.
And what I've been telling you, this account that started with 4K yesterday, look at where it is currently sitting, and look at where it is currently sitting. This is Zenith Forex, and I'm still trading it hands-free with the Nebo bot. Started at 4K, it's now sitting at 8.2. Power of hands-free trading automation. The bill is paid. Look at that. That is close profit. And we're still rolling. As I say, it's time to trade. Let's go get it.
How much is it?
The bot, hey, it's 5K
Alright.
until end of this month, and then it's gonna be 40,000. It's a pre-launch special of it.
Yo, where were you guys all along?
Where were you? We are just across the street. Our office is
Across the street.
here at the Collab building. You can take his details and then he'll plug you.
Please.
Thank you very much for tuning in up until right now. It's been such a great, fun day with you. We hope that you've enjoyed this episode and you've seen it. The guys literally were having fun today. They were enjoying themselves. They were enjoying their wins. They've had a better week than the previous week. A lot of exciting things are coming up, and we are hoping to grow this journey with you. And this is Zenith Forex, and we are seeing this community grow. It's growing because of you. Thank you very much. You're the most important person that is making our community to grow, and we're looking forward to seeing you on our next episode, as we're going to be bringing you more exciting things, more activations, more exploration, so that you get to see how we live as day traders. So this is what we are doing, and we're doing to inspire you. Literally, we want to see you elevate, and everything that we're doing is to say that if we can do it, so can you. As I always say, it's time to trade. Let's go get it.